So recovery, getting clean, finding a new way of life. These things, I would go to a 12-step meeting, and there would be maybe 15 people in there. The truth is, if everybody who really needed to change their life and to find a new way of life was attending, you would not even find a seat. So why did I make it and my friends that I grew up with overdosed in jail? My two best friends, one is dead, one is in and out of jail all the time. His mom is always calling me worried. I can't, that's a tough question. Why was I able to turn my life around? And I just always had a feeling that when I was living that negative lifestyle, there was a voice inside me saying, this is not God's will for you. Some people believe in reincarnation. Exactly, and I do too. And I feel like I have lived many lifetimes and I'm tired of coming back all the time. So I feel like I want to do things right.